Hey there, watch enthusiast. Today, we're diving into an exciting new release from Fortis, a brand known for pushing the boundaries of durability. They've just unveiled two new Marinemaster M44 models, and let me tell you, these timepieces are built like tanks. Fortis has a reputation for crafting watches that can withstand extreme conditions. From space missions to atmospheric re-entry, they've tackled it all. Now, they're taking their expertise underwater with the Marinemaster. But what makes this release truly remarkable is the attention to detail and the innovative features they've incorporated. First, let's talk about the DLC coating. This is a game changer. It not only gives these watches a sleek, monochrome look but also boosts their scratch resistance by 20 times. Imagine that. With a hardness rating of 4500 HV, it's tougher than hardened steel and even tungsten carbide. The only thing that could scratch it? Diamond or sapphire crystal. Talk about a watch that can take a beating, but Fortis doesn't stop there. These watches are unapologetically large, measuring 44mm in diameter, 48mm lug-to-lug, and 14mm thick. This size isn't just for show, it's a necessity for a watch that can dive down to 500 meters. And despite its heft, the FKM rubber horizon strap ensures a comfortable fit. It's like Fortis is saying, we know it's big, but you'll love wearing it. Now, let's appreciate the dial. The grid pattern with hollowed squares adds a unique texture and structure, emphasizing the watch's rugged character. And here's where things get interesting. The two models offer distinct personalities. The black resin goes for a vintage vibe with beige hands and R marks, while the Gravity Black opts for a modern, minimalist look with polished steel markers and hands. It's like choosing between a classic car and a sleek sports car, both incredible, but for different tastes. Underneath that rugged exterior beats a reliable heart, the Kenissi-powered Werk 11 automatic calibre. Having visited the Kenissi facility, I can attest to their obsession with quality. This movement is built to withstand shocks and has a power reserve of 70 hours. Fortis even requested an oversized bridge with double fixation points for added stability. It's like they're over-engineering it, ensuring it can handle any adventure you throw at it. In my opinion, this watch is a perfect example of form meeting function. It's not just about looking tough, it's about being tough. You could take it on a deep-sea dive, a mountain hike, or even a space mission, if you're an astronaut in training. Personally, I love how Fortis embraces the challenge of creating watches for extreme environments. It's a bold statement in an industry often focused on aesthetics alone. What many people don't realize is that this level of durability doesn't come at the expense of style. Fortis has managed to create a watch that is both incredibly resilient and visually appealing. It's like finding a rare gem that combines the best of both worlds. This is the kind of watch that will make you feel ready to conquer any challenge, and it might just come out looking better than you do after a tough adventure. So, if you're in the market for a timepiece that can keep up with your active lifestyle and still turn heads, the Fortis Marinemaster M44 should be on your radar. It's a bold statement piece that doesn't compromise on functionality. From my perspective, it's a refreshing take on what a sports watch can be. Until next time, keep ticking with style and substance.